Hello, you're wondering if you should buy the Karcher K4 high pressure washer or the K5 high pressure washer? Then you're at the right video, because I'm going to talk about all the main differences, and I hope this video will help you to find the proper pressure washer for your purposes. So let's get started. K4, Karcher says it's for the advanced, K5 for the demanding, doesn't say much. Then removal of moderate dirt, removal of stubborn dirt. Okay, how do you define that? No idea. But then the cleaning capacity, I think, is a very interesting number. So Karcher K3, they say can clean 30 square meters or 350 square feet per hour, and the K5 40 square meter or 450 square feet per hour. So here I have some images below to visualize this, because I think seeing the numbers doesn't help so much. So basically with the K5 you can clean more area within the same time. The K4 already has the water-cooled induction motor for exceptional durability. The K5 has that one too, but also it has a more robust pump with aluminum components. So it's not all plastic, but there are some aluminum components which make the pump much more durable, and we will see that in the weight of the product in the technical data. But I just want to mention below in the video description I have some online shopping links, and if you use those links I get a small commission. There is no downside for you, but it helps me to make this videos. More about this at the end of the video. The power rating for the K4 is 1800 watts. For the K5 it's 2100 watts, so the K5 uses 300 watts more power. Then if we check the pressure first in bar, between 20 and 130, and the K5 the maximum is 145, so it has 15 bars more. Or if we check PSI, the K4 can be adjusted between 300 and 1900 PSI, and the K5 between 300 and 2000 PSI. So there's a 1000 PSI difference in the maximum pressure. If we check the flow rate first in liters, 7 versus 8.3 per minute, 1.3 liters more per minute. The water flow rate in gallons, 1.5 gallons per minute for the K4 and 1.9 gallons per minute for the K5. But I have to say, I checked, there are like many gallons. There's the US gallons, the imperial gallons, and the US dry gallons, and I think Karcher on their website they use the US dry gallons, although we're talking about water, so it's kind of confusing. The K4 usually comes with an 8-meter high pressure hose or 26 feet, and the K5 with a 10-meter high pressure hose or 33 feet, but depending on the offer this can change, of course. For the detergent application, both use the plug and clean system. I'm going to show this in a second. And then weight without accessories, here 11.5 kilograms or 28.7 pounds, and here the K5 13 kilograms or 29.9 pounds. So there's a little bit of a difference, which probably comes from the aluminum components in the K5 pump. If we check the recommended applications Karcher suggests, we have here bicycles, garden machines and tools, outdoor furniture, fences, small garden paths or flagstones, motorcycles and scooters, small cars. Then for the K5 we also have external staircases, larger garden paths, medium-sized vehicles and SUVs, garden walls and stone walls. You can clean more and faster with the K5. You can do all of that, of course, also with the K4, but you just need a little bit more time. There is also a difference in the high pressure control guns. The K4 is in theory available with a very simple high pressure gun, but most of them are available with the power control, where you can see the pressure level on your high pressure gun. There are 4 levels which you can see, so you always know which kind of pressure you're working with. The K5 is also available with the simple guns, also the power control, but there's also the option to get a offer with the full control and smart control, where you basically can adjust the pressure on your high pressure gun itself, so you don't have to walk around to go to your high pressure washer. You can do that on your high pressure gun while you're working, and also you can do that with your smartphone, and the Karcher app also gives you a lot of tips and ideas how to clean different things with what pressure and what kind of settings. Here we see the detergent application, both the K4 and the K5. The normal versions, they have the plug and clean system. I'm going to talk about the different versions of the K4 and K5 just in a second. So you can see Karcher has this special kind of triangular bottles which you can insert in the top of your high pressure washer, and then you can move your high pressure washer and you have your detergent bottle in there. But Karcher has two different varieties which are more basic, more essential. The compact and the WCM version. By the way, these are not available in the US and Canada. I think you will never see those in North America, but in the UK, India, Australia, and other countries, you can find those versions. So the compact is basically smaller and more compact, as the name says. And the WCM stands for water-cooled motor, which is kind of strange because all of those versions have the same motor capacity, same pump capacity, and all of them are water-cooled. This is just a different design. And what those pressure washers, the compact and the WCM, have in common is that they are only available with the simple guns, the simple water control guns. They don't have the power control, full control, smart control, and they have a suction hose for the detergent application. So you have to put your bottle somewhere or your detergent and put in the suction hose. And the normal versions, as mentioned, they have this plug and clean system. So that's one big difference between those high pressure washers. Maybe some translation help with the company lingo from Karcher. If the offer says premium, there should be a pressure hose reel. Premium doesn't mean there is a golden motor or a golden pump or something. Premium simply means there is a high pressure hose reel. Yeah, sometimes it's a little bit confusing because they write premium smart control. So the smart control is not premium, but it's just the premium means pressure hose reel. Then if it says home, it doesn't mean it's for indoor use, but it means there's a surface cleaner included in the offer. If we have car in the name, then there should be a cleaning brush and maybe a foam nozzle. The cleaning brush is very useful also for outdoor furniture, by the way. And this is it. Those are the main differences. What do you think? Which high pressure washer from Karcher do you prefer, the K4 or the K5? Please let me know, or please let me know what you think about this review, if it helped you or not, what would be better. And as mentioned before, below in the video description, I have some online shopping affiliate links. And if you use those links to buy your high pressure washer, I get a small commission. This helps me to make more of these videos. But I would appreciate a thumbs up too. And of course, you can subscribe my YouTube channel completely free. And I hope you have a lot of fun using your new high pressure washer.